Hey, my name is Dan Bradley, and I live in Peoria, Arizona. This club is the support system here, is what I found to be the most important thing. And I've looked at other, whether you ever call them gurus or companies and things, and I just felt this, the support wasn't there. And with Clever, I can tell you 100% the support is there. If you have a question, you get stuck with something, they're always there to answer and help you out. And that has just it's been huge, and it's helped me out so much to get ahead and actually close deals. And I can't say enough about it. It's there. Just knowing that feeling, and like I say, when you pick up the phone or you send an email or text message, you're not going to wait a week to get a response, or if you even get a response, they're going to answer you. You're not ever left hanging. Like I've had a lot of questions throughout the past year of doing this, where I'm like, oh man, what do I do now? Or like tonight we're talking about subject to, and I didn't really understand it, but they really put it in a way that you can understand. And it's just the feeling that the support system's there. Like I see a lot of new people doing this now, and they're nervous because they have the same questions I did at first where, okay, now I have a deal, I have a contract, now what? And they freak out. But it's not, I've realized there's no reason to panic or freak out because you're gonna get through it. They're gonna have the answers for you. The quality of education is phenomenal. If you just follow the program and the material they have online for you to review, and the forms, and it's there. Like I said, I've looked into other ones and it's not there. You don't have the same support. You don't have the same educational system. Cody's system, whatever he's figured out, it's awesome. It's there, it's great, it's phenomenal, and I recommend it to everybody. I've talked to people and I always say, this is the real deal. Because I'm the world's biggest skeptic. I look into things, everybody can go online, read reviews. And for me to actually trust and let my guard down is huge for me, because I don't really do that typically by my nature. And to let people actually help me through things, it's there. It's awesome. I can't say enough about it. I really can't. Again, I'm very skeptical. My background, I don't trust a lot of people, put it that way. I worked in law enforcement before I got into real estate investing. So I'm always very skeptical. And okay, what are you after? Are you just trying to pull some money out of me? And I didn't get that feeling from the first time I talked to them on the phone when I just inquired about the program. The feeling I got, and just the trust that began right from day one, it was there. And Cody is the real deal. I feel he's just a genuine guy like me. I'm a hardworking guy. I didn't come from much. I worked my butt off to get where I'm at. And I'm still growing. I've still got a ways to go. But I got the feeling that Cody was the same. He wasn't born with a golden spoon in his mouth, just like me. He worked for what he has, and I feel like he's just really genuinely wants to give it back. That's my impression.